Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen, and what have we got in the pot tonight? Well, I've called this Easy Cheesy Salami Pasta. And it is, it's really easy, quick to make. It's something that, you come home, you haven't got much time, you just want to whip something up. This will do the trick. Improvements? I think you could add even more cheese than I did. Why not? Let's make it real super cheesy. So you could just about double up on that cheese if you wanted to and really get a lot of cheese through there. I'm happy with this as it is because it was quick and easy and it's pleasy. All right. Oh yeah. With a salad tonight, it's going to be really nice. Yeah. There we go. We've got a bunch of salami in there. You get the flavor from the salami coming too. All right. Let's go in the kitchen. We'll whip this together right now. Alright, so the ingredients for this, well, there's not too many of them. We've got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dishes. Alright, not bad. First of all, across the front, we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we've got 3 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, 2 eggs. We've got 6 ounces, or 170 grams, 170 grams of cream cheese. We've got 5 ounces, or 140 grams of salami, and I've kind of finely chopped that up, so a little over 1/8 of an inch, 3-4 millimeters, somewhere around there. 1 onion, finely chopped. Across the back here, I've got 7 ounces or 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. Now, yeah, I would sometimes I would use with a casserole like this. I would use something like cheddar with more flavor to it. But remember, we got a lot of saltiness here in the salami. So I'm going to call it salmonella. What the heck is that? Salami. And that means I want a mild cheese like this mozzarella to kind of go with it. And then across the back here, 12 ounces or 340 grams of my favorite fusilli pasta. Or any pasta will do, actually. I mean, macaroni, you can use shells, whatever. All right, it looks like our water is about coming to a boil. Yes, it is. All right, perfect. Let's get that off to the side. We're going to get that pasta started. I just want to cook it as per package instructions to al dente stage. So we got that going. Now that, while that's going, I'll put that one side over here, put that over there. While that's going, what I want to do is I want to get some of these other things going, like the onions. So we're going to just do everything at once and then just be ready to go in the oven and we can just relax. This is a great after work type of dish where, when you just don't want to put too much effort in, but you want to come up with something good. So, in goes 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to bring that up on a medium heat. Right about there. And just, that butter's ready to go soft for me out in the room, so I just squish it down a bit. I want to speed up the melting here. Let's get it going, skate it around. Alright, butter's melted, and goes the onion. Gonna cook that onion 5 to 6 minutes. Just give it a little stir around every once in a while. We just want to soften it up. That's all we need to do. Notice I'm cooking it in the big, deep cast iron pot. That's because that's what's going to get used for making the final dish. So, hey, less dishes to clean, the better. All we have is this pot, and well, that's going to be a rinse out, isn't it? Alright, get that onion going. While that's happening, we can start prepping up some of this. So this is all basically ready to go as is. All I do is bring this bowl back in. I want to take that cream cheese, add it into a bowl, and I'm just going to smoosh it around a bit. I'll soften it up some. Alright, and then I was going to spread it around because what I want now is I want a base for whisking my eggs on. There we go. that off to one side. All right, I'm gonna crack those eggs in there. 1. 2. Off to one side, we've got a whisk here. Just gonna whisk those eggs up a bit first, and then we're gonna mix them into the cream cheese. And look at that. See how it's working? Now we're starting to pull that cream cheese in, so just turn that a little bit till you work that in. Oh yes. Alright, I'm gonna stop a second. Let's give that onions a quick stir. They're looking, they're just starting to cook a little, so that's good. Alright, keep going. Okay, so I'm going to whisk this until, like that. It's just about creamy. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we want to break up most of that cream cheese in with the eggs. Alright, I'm happy with that. Can you see that? Can you see? It's still a little gloopy with the cream cheese, but that's perfect. Alright, that's ready to go. Ooh, I got my cream cheese up to the spoon, so I'm just going to have to. I love cream cheese. Alright, so we still got left here is the cheese, the salami, and the garlic. Just got a few more minutes of cooking, so be back as soon as the onions are ready. Then we're going to toss in the salami and the garlic. Yeah, see that. Alright, those onions are softened up, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw in the salami, and I'm going to throw in the garlic. Stir that around, cook that just a minute or two, and that's about the time the pasta is going to be ready, so hey, nice timing. Alright, so a minute or two of this, and then just turn the heat off. See you back here in a minute, or two. Alright, pasta's cooked and drained. The heat's off in here. This is all smelling good. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to throw the pasta in there. Try not to... Come on, Kevin. Really? Alright. Mix that around a little bit. And then... we're going to add this in. I might need a spoon to help get it all out. Yeah, thought so. Alright. And once you got all of that in there, mix that in. Now that's going to pull salami into places and all. Yeah. Alright. And now we still have the mozzarella. So what I want to do with the mozzarella is I want to put about 2/3 into there and about 1/3 on top. So just roughly, it doesn't have to be exact. That'd be about like that amount right there, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, think about that. Alright. And this I'm going to mix down inside. So we got cheese throughout, we got cream cheese, we got some eggs in there. Yeah, that's starting to look nice. Alright, oh look at that. The heat, they're ready, melting everything. So now, just gotta smooth that out. And then, I'm going to spread that remaining cheese on top. Yeah, let's put everything down. There we go, that's sitting good. Alright, and just spread that cheese on top, just kind of sprinkle it around. Spread it out a little bit. Perfect. Alright, let's go in the oven over there at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. All I want to do is just melt the cheese, little browning on top. We're ready to go. Alright, see you back here when that comes out of the oven. Alright, so that's been 15 minutes and I'm ready for that. I'm hungry. That's ready to go. Nicely melted. Now you could go the extra 5 minutes and just get a bit more browning on top. That'd be fine. That's a little browning around the edges there. All right, let's have a little dig in there. So you pull that out, and there you go. Just a very simple, fantastic, cheesy salami-ish pasta dish that you can whip up in no time flat. Let's see, how hot is that? Well, good. Alright, well, if you like this dish, stick around, check out some more original Kevin Rada recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. And make sure that you're subscribed, that you've clicked the notification bell, and that you're going to keep getting more and more good recipes coming in. Never know what's going to be next. Alright, now go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.